Today's video is sponsored by the best hip-hop artist of the 90s. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a switch node after. Bring a camera shake node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and drag it to the left viewer. You can go crazy with the sliders, just make sure that you bring down the zoom to crop slider, and change the border type to replicate. Once you are done, connect this one to the switch node. Bring a soft glow node in empty space, connect your clip to this again, and drag it to the left viewer. Adjust the glow sliders to your liking. Now what you have to do is, select the switch node, go to the configuration tab, and increase the input slider to the amount of effects you want to add. For my incredible effect I will use 4 inputs. Connect the soft glow to the switch node. I will add a contrast node in empty space, bring down the saturation and increase the contrast, but you can use any effect that you like. Connect this next effect to the input of the switch node again. Select the switch node, go to the Controls tab, right-click to the source value, and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the maximum slider to the amount of effect that you have, in my case I have 3. With the Smoothness slider, you can control the speed of the switch, lower values will give you faster switch. The Reseed button will change the random order of the effect. Throw some random effects that you like, use this technique, and pretend that you know what you are doing. If you want some creative effects, you can check out my pack.